Millionaire Secrets of the Rich. This is used by the rich for resources, and to accomplish their goals. Get a paper and pen, and get ready to further your success. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Write down goals. You have to work hard to succeed. When setting goals and carrying out the necessary tasks to achieve them, you must act deliberately. One of the best ways is to write them down. Writing out your goals helps to make them more real, which makes it easier to focus and work toward. Think about who you want to be, not just what you want to achieve. You'll be more motivated to act when you know what you are. Number 2. Take action. Divide your goals into manageable steps. Taking one step every day is one of the best action plans. By doing this, you'll constantly be improving, which makes it much easier to stay motivated. Number 3. Consistency. Growth takes consistent effort. This requires setting out time each day to work hard, and maintaining consistency in your routines. Being consistent is crucial because it builds momentum. Even if your daily improvements are small, this ensures that you are continually moving forward. Without this, you will never build the momentum needed for success. Consistency may also be attained by breaking down your main goal into little, daily goals that you can reach. Number 4. Push yourself. Understand that development takes time. There will be a lot of obstacles along the way, which can take much longer than you anticipate. But remember, you must push yourself forward. It's important to keep in mind that the most successful people did not become that way overnight. They've put in a lot of effort, and overcame many challenges. Number 5. When working, remove distractions. The rich are successful because they know how to focus on a task, without getting sidetracked. They know, it's far too easy to get distracted. One of the best ways to stay focused is to remove them. While you're working, give it your complete focus. Work now, there's time later on to relax, and be entertained. Number 6. Never stop learning. Each of us has room for growth. Development requires a desire to learn new things. Be open to learning from others, and one of the best ways is by reading. This helps you expand thoughts. Make it a habit to read at least once a day. Number 7. Track progress. Daily progress is key. You can achieve your ultimate dream by setting little, everyday goals. Track your progress, acknowledge little wins, and consider your achievements. One of the best ways to achieve this is to keep a daily journal or notepad, where you can track development and see how far you've gone. Number 8. Balance. Balance personal and business life, if you want to succeed. Accomplish this by setting boundaries. Number 9. Keep mentorship. Never be too afraid to ask for help, or receiving constructive criticism. People who reach out for mentorship usually achieve success. When we are in the right circles, we're more likely to pick up powerful ideas, and use the group's collective knowledge to achieve better and bigger results. Without exposure to other people, you're limited to your own ideas and views. Number 10. Have a plan for setbacks. It's important to think like a winner. Both the knowledge to prepare and the desire to win are essential. We must master our schedule in order to perform at our best. The wealthy never show up without having a set course of action or strategy in place. They know relying just on their own skills and abilities could never lead them to success. Limitations are considered, then plans for those setbacks are made. The ability to be prepared empowers us to face our weaknesses, instead of running from them. Having a strategy in place also enables us to plan our advancements. Number 11. Master your craft. Instead of becoming masters of all trade, the rich specialize. They hone what they know best from diligent study and practice. Vision without execution leads to failure. And want alone is insufficient. You must develop the proper skills, knowledge, and habits to become master of your craft. Number 12. Study success. Habits for success works, so people seeking it should emulate them. The rich have always actively studied and learned from others who have succeeded in order to advance themselves. The advantage of taking notes from the best is, this gives you the knowledge needed to not waste time trying to figure out what works and what doesn't. We have articles on secrets of the rich in our blog, BraylenAV.com. Don't forget to visit us, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is also down below. Number 13. Strengthen your qualities. Spend time doing things that play to your strengths. This can help with motivation and growth. Your areas of greatest improvement are those that play to your abilities. Find the activities you can do all day that you truly like, then search for opportunities to do more throughout the day. You'll notice how growing success builds momentum. Number 14. Disrupt a boring pattern. Shift to making your to-do list more enjoyable by switching your attention from simply doing them, to doing them effectively and efficiently. One strategy to break out of a boring routine is to disrupt the pattern and change your approach. Number 15. Be a giver. The rich know that giving more will result in receiving more. You will benefit if you are kind with your time, money, and skills. One of the best ways to give is to donate or volunteer. This not only helps others, but you'll grow personally. Success and progress takes time and hard work, but with the correct attitude and strategy, you can do anything you set your mind to. Hopefully, these millionaire secrets of the rich will help you take charge of your life and achieve new levels of success. If this video was valuable, please share it. And visit our description link below. We have 2 more millionaire videos for you.